Hi guys, it's Future Labs, my name is Fro, and today we're going to talk about the most interesting, the most hype upcoming drops that are coming this week. This week is going to be Fireman. I hope we all will get a lot of really big gains, a really big profits, and we all will be lucky enough to get all of these drops. But before this video starts, I would like to ask you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it really helps me a lot now in the future, and if you subscribe, you just sure that you won't miss any cool upcoming projects, platforms, collections, and all other interesting stuff. Let's go. The first one is the SkateX edition of 1080 generated boards. Their funding holders receive special benefits in MMO skate experience. Most likely that all stock will be taken by the whitelist people, but maybe somehow we will get a few skates left for the public sale. I hope for it. Really, maybe it's smart idea now to buy their whitelist token and to meet with whitelist. Why not? Because the collection can be really interesting. The next thing you can do is just to wait for the mint and then try to outbuy them on a secondary market, because on first hour or first 10, 20, 30 minutes the price can be really low for it and not fair. We were talking about that in a previous video. All of the skates are made by hand. They got really interesting developers and now they developing so yeah, you can own and use within immersive 3D MMO skate world. Each skateboard is unique with the original art and artisan detail. We can see really detailed stuff here. I really love their art. I really love this collection. Yeah, so we can see even all links for their team now, so they're doxed. And by the roadmap, yeah, so at first they just virtual griding into the metaverse, then starting with the Founders Edition boards march with their soulmates, so it's verification. Then it will be a playable demo released when you and your board get to the air you're meant to catch. And the last phase is the metaverse, the SkateX MMO launch. You and your board cement your legendary status in the city where skate is the only law of the land, and you can of course earn some tokens from it. And yeah, just earn from it, get from it cool profits, big gains. This is really high project. My recommendation for you guys to check out their website, their Twitter. Make sure to try catch some on a secondary market. I think this is gonna be something really huge. The next one is the Planetarians, a really hyped, a really interesting drop as well. Here we will get some for the public sale. It will be 200, maybe 100 or 200 of the Planetarians, and I think everyone would love to catch it. This is a huge collection with really a lot of hype, with really a lot of audience. They must be minting yesterday, but their Discord was hacked, was attacked, so they moved their drop for a few days. So yeah, first it's 1558 on Solana blockchain, then secondary market listing, then rarity reveal, display established treasury with 20% means persist and 30% royalties, sells bot. Then it will be a custom staking for additionals or be reward, community development, alpha calls and giveaway collabs with projects, legendary 101 planetarian auctions, and mean 999 Planetarian companions exclusively using ORB. So you can stake, you can get your ORB, and then you can mint kind of for free your companion. Then test your luck on the Planetarian decentralized wheel game powered by ORB. Introduce additional rewards for the game, future brand development and marketing, and a lot of interesting stuff. You can check their socials as well. This is gonna be something really big. And the most interesting drop, the most interesting upcoming meme from these four is of course the Dachlis. Is a collection of 2222 dreamers on Solana. I've mentioned them before. Hype is huge, audience is huge, Discord is closed. A lot of influencers, flippers, bloggers and other guys who are into Solana are following them as well. The whitelist for now, I don't know about the famous folks, but on TC you can buy it for $300 or $400 for now. This is really kind of expensive, and I believe their fair price is about 6 or 7 SOL on the secondary market, and there will be about 200 or 300 NFTs for a secondary market. On the secondary market, I mentioned them once again because now they revealed their date. It will be on 6th of the April. They will drop the exact time later, I believe. Price is only 1.5 SOL. This is a free gains and easy profits. I believe it with all my heart, and you must charge in it all of your bots, all of your softs, all of your friends who are into it, trying to catch some of these, because again, here we got a really lot of utilities of NFT tokens, lovely art, interesting developers, interesting website, and really a lot of hype. And the last one is Mini Royale Nation Season 2 Premium Pass. This game, I mentioned it before as well. So yeah, this is a very interesting game where every one of you of us can earn without any investment. So it's completely free. How does it work? You just play a game, you have a battle pass in there, and you got some XP, some experience from the kills. So your battle pass is upgrading its levels, and with each level you got a skin, and the more level the rare skin, and the more it costs, of course. So if you got level 30 or 35, you must play really a lot to get it. You can sell your NFTs for $300 or for a $400, something about that. So yeah, now they're dropping their premium pass. I don't know why they haven't done it before. So in the premium pass will be it will be an easier to get levels for sure. The skins from there will be much more expensive because it's limited. Yeah, and that's it. So you can earn even faster in this game, or ask your friends or workers to earn in this game even faster, and sell these skins for a more expensive. That's all. Really simple. Again, really hyped game, and I don't think that this will be like a huge gain. So price for now is like about 1 SOL. I think they will be like 2 SOL, or maybe not more than a 3 SOL, but this drop is very interesting as well. Yeah, you can check out the Twitter as well. A lot of influencers are following. They got a lot of live audience, a lot of people who are playing in this game. This game is so hyped, and the mint will be on the 7th of the April. Public means 1620 UTC, whitelist mean 1350 UTC. Total collection of 5,555 NFTs, and mint price 0.96 SOL. I believe this will be a really hype. For public, we will get about 2,000 NFTs. So probably it will be easy for us to get them with our bots, with our minting or something like that, and then flip it with a good profit. This is the 4 most interesting upcoming drops for the next few days, for the next week. I believe Ducklings may be the best drop for entire month or entire few months. I believe the most hyped, the most interesting, the most valued, and all other cool things like that. So make sure just to check out all of their socials. Just make sure you've done it. Yeah, check all of them, and of course my recommendation for you guys at least to check all of their socials, to follow them, and the like highest or medium recommendation to try to participate in all of them. Try to catch some on the secondary market, also to your boss or soft or minting or something like that, or extensions, to get some from the drop and make a good money from it. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share link of this video to your friends, and see you soon, guys.